Hey YouTubers, good morning, Robb. Guys, today we're going to talk about something everybody's been asking me about, is the accessories I purchased for my Jetson Bolt Pro. Actually nobody. Not one single one of you guys have asked me about my accessories. Just more sandwich toaster videos, Bob. No accessory videos, okay? We're going to talk about my accessories. I don't care. I bought about, I think I purchased almost more things that cost in total maybe more than what I paid for the bike. The bike cost me $249. Let's go over at random order. One of the things that I got was a metal instead of acrylic plastic mirror for the bike. I see a lot of people riding around on their Jetson, and I like to be able to have something that I can see what's behind me. In fact, I'd probably like to get two mirrors. And this one is good because the image is really good. You can make it out really clear what's behind you as it comes up and side swipes you into the curb. There's a little attachment here to fit a really cheap GoPro knockoff, because when you put the camera on the handlebars, it jiggles a lot and you end up getting a degraded image. So you don't want to make this for your cinematic movies. You probably want to use a chest mount or something on your hair, a helmet. But it's good to have an image of something in front of you, to when you get into a situation, you can have a visual record of it. Also, I purchased, this is a lock. I looked at a lot of different locks online, and then correspondingly there's a lot of videos on how to open them up. Little 12-year-old kids using big pens and pieces of string to break open the kryptonite $50 lock. So I said, you know what, this is an old fashioned combination lock, $8, so I just went ahead with that. I got a really nice, I think they call it a pannier. I forgot how to pronounce it. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's got two bags, and it's on a rack. You're probably more interested in the rack. This rack has supports. A lot of people just clamp theirs onto the seat and don't use any supports. I supported it down here. There's a big hole there. I took off the clamp. It comes with a clamp that you normally go around the bar of the bike. The little stuff inside that probably other people aren't putting on their Jetson. I wanted to get the Jetson so I could go places and sit down and relax. This is a inflatable chair. It's almost a lazy boy. It inflates while you hold it open, and just you swirl it around, and it fills up with air, and you fold up one part. It's actually pretty cool. I'll leave a link to it. The other stuff that people don't usually keep in their little Jetson is my folding Eagle Claw. This has been a nice purchase. And my tackle box. Then, if you're going to be working on your Jetson, you really need a set of hex wrenches, because every part on this bicycle just about is put together with a hex bolt, or you need an Allen wrench, and these are some of the best ones you can get. They're Elkin. I recommend them highly. The steel is very good quality, and it fits into your little hex nuts really good, so you don't strip them. I've purchased two different types of Loctite. You want to get the one Loctite that doesn't harden up to where you need heat to remove it. So this can be removed, and it works fine. There's others you can get that some people like better, but this is pretty inexpensive. Since you're going to have a big problem if you have a flat tire, especially on your rear tire, you can take off the rear tire, but it's a little bit of a hassle. So you want to put some slime in your tires. I purchased, just for fun, a car horn. It's 36 volt. We're going to be seeing if we can attach it. This won't be for pedestrians or even for most motorists, but occasionally you do need some auditory firepower when you're out and about. Sometimes you need to be heard. Oh my goodness. I also purchased It comes with a little flashing light, and there's a light down there, but it's really not that powerful. So I purchased these flashing red and blue lights. They're actually quite powerful. They're USB charged. One of the better purchases, because the light that comes, it's not that strong and it's down very low. And the first 10 minutes I had the bicycle, I almost got run over. I came to a corner. I was going to cross the crosswalk, and there was a woman standing over here. And when a person was doing a right-hand turn, was looking at the woman as I was coming across. He came like this close to running me over. He had to stop, thankfully. You need a little 4-way tool to remove the air valve or your tires. And I know I'm forgetting something. The air pump. The air pump's in the other room. It's important to get an air pump with the gauge, because you don't want to be guessing what the tire pressure is on these. And the helmet. You want to make sure your helmet has a U.S. government safety. Where is that guy? This is my helmet. I got like $5 at a thrift store. It doesn't have a visor, so the sun gets in your eyes, but it is U.S. safety certified. So there's a lot of helmets on sale on Amazon. You're better off just getting a plastic bowl from the cupboard in your kitchen. They're not that good. So the bicycle has been surprisingly more fun each time I use it, and the speed, it can go faster than I can pedal. So even though there's some people modifying these going over 30 miles an hour, I find the 15 I'm going is actually quite fine. So it's been a hoot. Each time I use it, I enjoy it some more. Oh, I forgot. These pedals fold, so I purchased them, and they allow me to put it in the car a little more easier, with less concern. And I suppose I'll be getting a few more things, but right now we're good to go. Guys, hope you enjoy this little video, and I put on new stuff every week, and been doing it for 16 years, over 1,200 videos. Y'all come back, watch more. Take care. See you out there.